Hey there, Titans! Today I will show you how to convert a file to PDF using Titan Flow. So I'm here in Titan Flow, and I have a few variables set up. So let's head over to Tools, Custom Variables. You see I have my file ID as a static variable, and I have two file variables, one for my input file and one for my output file. Let's head over to my Flow and create a new node. I want to select Merge Files under Action. Here, under IDs, I want to map my file ID. Under Files, I want to select my input file. And finally, I want to map it to my output file. Now here I can select output format. I want to leave it as PDF, but I can also select docx. Finally, I can give my file a dynamic file name, or I can give it a custom name. I'll call it my converted file. I'll hit Next, Next, and Insert. Now my file is being converted, but I need to actually do something with it. So after finish, I'm going to push it back to Salesforce. So I'm going to select a Salesforce action node. I'm going to go to Salesforce integration, and I'm going to configure a new push. I want to push my files to Files, also known as Content Version. Let's give this a name. And for version data, I want to map my output file. And for title, I want to map output file as well, so I have the same title. I'm going to hit Apply, Close. I'm going to select my integration. I'm going to click Next and Insert. And that's my flow setup. I'm going to publish it. And let's head over to Titan Web. Here in Titan Web, I have a project. It has two variables set up. It has a variable for my file ID and for version data. In my button, I have an action flow set up to grab a file from Salesforce that's named File to Convert, and it's going to map it to Content Version ID, to my file ID, and it's going to map version data to my version data variable. Next, what I want to do is I want to, after finish, run a flow node. And here I want to select my flow. And under parameters, I want to map my file ID to my file ID parameter and my input file to my version data parameter. I'll hit Apply, Next, and Insert. Let's hit Apply and close this. Now let's run my project. If I go to Salesforce, I have a file called File to Convert. It's just a simple Word file. And when I click on Convert File, it should pull that file, go to Flow, convert it, and upload it back to Salesforce. So let's head over to my logs so I can see all this happening. So as you can see, a file was created from my flow, and if I open this file, this is a PDF file converted from a Word document, and that's how it's done.